Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We meet again in our simple easy kitchen. Today we're gonna make Medeleine, classic Medeleine. Very easy and very simple. You can try at home without mixer, only with balloon whisk. Okay, I will show you step by step and you will love it. For dry ingredient, mix flour 800 grams, baking powder 3 teaspoons, salt 3 teaspoons. Mix all together. In the wet ingredient, sugar 800 grams, whole eggs 18 pieces. Brown sugar 8 teaspoons. Vanilla essence 3 teaspoons. All put together, then mix with balloon whisk. So no need mixer, guys. Mix, 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 mix. So sorry, one more ingredient is melting butter, like 678 grams. Keep mixing until the sugar and egg mix well. Put the dry ingredient to the wet ingredient, then mix again. Okay, now already mix all. Okay, just okay, let them rest 15 minutes. Already 15 minutes, getting rice. Now put in the molder, just 1 tablespoon for each bowl. Okay, now ready to bake. Preheat oven 170. Skip 5 minutes. Preheat your oven 170. Already 170. Close. 170 degrees. 12 minutes. 1 speed. Start. Okay, already done. Let's take it out from the oven. Yay, it's done, guys. Well done. Let's check it out. See? So fluffy, soft, and smells good. Oh, well done. Okay, thank you for watching. Easy, right? Okay, don't forget to subscribe my channel and like and share, and don't forget to give comment below. Okay, see you again in the next video. Mga salamat!